Hello math learners, so for today's video we are going to proceed in Mathematics 8 and that is all about the Cartesian coordinate system in modeling equation, finding slope of a line given 2 points. So, this is actually given, not give. So, yeah, given 2 points. So, let us start. So, what is a line? When we say line, it is a set of points forming a straight path on a lane. The slant slope between any 2 points on a line is always equal. A line of Cartesian plane can be described by a linear equation. So from the word linear itself, or from the word line itself, it's talking about line. In definition, linear equation is an equation that can be put into the form ax plus by minus c is equal to 0 or ax plus by is equal to c where a, b, and c are integers and a and b are not both equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. What are the two variables it pointed about? It's talking about the x and the y variable. So, based on the statement, why the equation y a and b considered to be not equal to 0? Because if you're going to equate the a and b to 0, so 0x equivalent of 1 or wala, diba? Ibig sabihin, 0 pala, 0. Nasa isip ko yung loss of exponent, So, 0. So, mawawala yung x, so mawawala yung y. Pero kapag yung c naman ginawa mo 0, okay lang kasi nandun pa naman yung x and y. So, your value of c is 0. So, pwede pa yun. The graph will be a straight line. Siyempre, kaya line eh. The form ax plus by minus c is equal to 0 is called standard form. What is the in other words, in finding the slope kasi, it's a slope. Meron po tayong tinatawag na ito. Actually, this is already called the general form. So, this is actually the standard form. This is the general form. Okay? So, it's been a while after I created this presentation. That was still in 2021 ko pa ito ginawa or inayos, even if this is my downloaded presentations. The equation of a line describes all of the points on the line. The equation is the rule for any ordered pair on the line. So we have some examples. So 4 and negative 2 is on the line, and test the points by plugging x and y to the equation. So 5 and 1 is not in the line. So 4, 2 is not in the line and is on the line. So you are going to simplify. So 5. Okay, paano po natin to nasabi? So let us substitute 4 as x. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus, so y nyo is negative 2. So kasi ito yung x's nyo, ito yung x's nyo, at ito yung y. Same way dito, ito yung x's nyo, ito yung y. So, 3 times 4 is 12 minus 4, since 2 times negative 2, minus 8. So, 0. So, nag-equate siya sa 0. So, tama lang. And try nyo, 15 plus 2 minus 8. So, 2 minus 8 is negative 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. So, kaya talaga, hindi siya not on the line. So, pero tama yung statement na to. So, kahit itry nyo 4 minus negative 14, negative 18. 4 minus positive 14 is positive 18 plus 220. So, this is not equal to 0. So, this is not in the line. So, 5 minus 7 is negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So, that's why. So, ganun po natin. Test the point by plugging the x and y into the equation. So, ito yung slope, it describes the direction of a line. So, dapat din ay mag-gets din natin to kasi sa calculus, sa inyong basic cal, kapag dating nyo ng grade 11 at kayo ay nag-STEM, marirecap din ito. So, bakit ba, why we indicate that x sub 1 is not equal to x sub 2? Why is this needed? Excuse me. So, guard against 0 to the denominator. Because if you are going to identify if, what if, let's say the correct answer is A and 0 is under it as the denominator, this will be an undefined. No? Kapag 0 ang numerator at 0 din ang denominator, this will be considered as indeterminate. Okay. Find the slope between -3 and 6 and 5 and 2. So, 3 and 6 and 5, 2. As you can see, this is the slope. Yung rise nyo is -4 and yung ano nyo is 2. Paano po yan? Yung rise nyo, 6 minus 2 or 2 minus 6. This is your x sub 2 minus y sub 2 minus y sub 1, -4. 5 minus 3 is positive 8 kasi add opposite. Kapag nag-add kayo, ito magiging positive ito. So that's why 8. So paano po natin malalaman? Pag rise, ibig sabihin rise, ano yan? Hindi yan kanina. Taas, maybe it rise up or rise or fall, ganon. Sa it maybe goes right or left. So, negative ang rise nyo, negative. So, magsimula dito 1, 2, 3, 4 pababa. Then yung run nyo, since ito ay positive, dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ganon lang, ano? Calculate the slope. So, ngayon, ito. Gagawa tayo ngayon yata ng equation. So, we use letter M to represent the slope. So, yung y sub 2 nyo, remember yung 2 and yung 5. So, computation tayo. So, ito yung lumabas. So, 2 minus 6 is -4 and siyempre add its opposite. 5 plus 3 is 8. So, you have -1/2. So, skip na natin. So, what if you are going to encounter this? So, find the slope between 2 minus 4 is -2/0. So, as you can see, so, dito pala makikita nyo equal yung x sub 1 sa x sub 2. So, that means that will be undefined. You are going to stop. This slope is undefined. So, kapag nakakita kayo ng ganito straight na slope, it indicates the slope is undefined. What if ganito 0 naman? Okay. Wait a minute. So, wait. What if? Ayun. Ito, 0. So, 4 minus 4, 0. Pwede kaya? Pwede. Pwedeng maging 0 ang numerator, wag lang ang denominator. So, paano pong itsura na slope kapag 0 slope? Horizontal straight line. So, 0. From these results, we can see the slope is vertical, the line is undefined. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. So, we are going to find the slope of a line 4x minus y is equal to 8. So, equation na to. Paano kaya? First, find 2 points on a line. So, let x is equal to 0 to find the y-intercept. So, 4 times 0 is 0. So, mawawala na to. Technique dito kapag naghahanap tayo ng y-intercept, since x is, you're going to make it equal to 0. So kahit alisin nyo lang to, takpan nyo lang to, ano matitira? Yung negative y sa kayong a. Then, multiply both sides of equation in negative 1. So, negative 1 times, okay, malilito, baka merong iba multiplying both sides of equation into negative sign. Which is pwede naman, pero the best, to be more specific or very acceptable, negative 1. Okay? So, y and a times negative 1 is negative 8. So, your coordinates, your responding coordinates is 0 and negative 8 as your y-intercept. How about the x-intercept? So, since x-intercept naman ang hinahanap natin, so, ito naman yung tatakpan nyo. Now, anong natira? 4x and 8. So, divide both sides of equation into 4 para mawala yung katabi ni x. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, that's your x-intercept. So, dun na kayo magagawa ng slope. Dun na kayo mag-indicate ng slope. So, add its opposite. 0 plus 8 is 8. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So, divide 4. So, here's an easier way. So, solve for y. Ito yung alternative, So, ngayon, ilipat nyo tong isa dito. Kasi value ni y yung hahanapin natin. Since negative yung y, you are going to multiply both sides of equation into negative 1. So, negative 1 times negative y is y. Negative, ito ay distributive property. Okay, so, ano nga natin? Bali natin. Negative 1 times 4, negative 4x is 4x, and 1 times, negative 1 times 8 is negative 8. So, when the equation is solved for the y, the coefficient of the x is the slope. We call this slope-intercept form. So, where your m is 4. So, tama lang yung kanina, hindi ba? 4 yung lumabas nating slope. Then, nung tinaray naman natin dun sa kabila, parehas lang. Ito yung slope nyo. Since the best side of x is the value of slope. Okay? M is the slope and the B is the y-intercept. Tingnan nga natin kung tama yung y-intercept natin. Y-intercept natin is negative 8. So, tama lang din. So, it has proven correct. Graph the line through 1 over 1 and negative 3 with the slope of negative 3/4. So, here, here, here. So, ito yun. Pababa. Then, pataas. Then, taas. Baba. Taas. Baba. So, this is your, di ba medyo komplikado? So, yung 1, 3. Pasabong muna yung 1 natin. Ito. Yung negative 3 natin. Sa 2, 3. Ito yun. Then, gagawa kayo ng slope. With the slope of negative 3 and 4. Since, negative yung ano nyo negative. So, pababa. Dito. Then, dito. Hanggang sa, ano yan? Hanggang sa makakonek kayo ng slope. Sign of the slope, syempre, ano dito ang positive? Green at blue. Ang direction yan kapag ganito, to the right. That is positive slope. And which is the negative slope? Red, light, naglolokohan tayo dito, no? Light blue, tas kulay pink, no? So, ayan. Ito yung negative. Red kapag to the left. At yung undefined, ito yung nakatayo. Ito, ano to? Zero slope. Now, maybe in my next video, we are going to continue discussing, and that is already all about the slope of a parallel lines.